No, the guy, he was crossing the road.
Oh, crap!
Want a treat? Chloe! Jim, goose!
Business.
Nobody believes you.
I took the top off. I'm dripping like hot sauce. I got drink.
Say, I love you. Come on, girl.
Are you being a good girl?
Wait.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. What are you doing? Go, Marla! Go! I think love is the
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.
Tiger, go in.
You're adopted. Yeah, you're not mine. You're adopted. Yeah. Excuse me.
My happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy.
Uh-oh. Give me.
Hold on, you too. Dog, open coconuts for me.
Lola, really? Really? Lola.
You better not go to sleep. As soon as your eyes shut, I'm gonna punch you square in the face. I hope you stay still when you sleep, because I'm putting a rat trap between your legs. I'm gonna take a pillowcase and fill it full of bars of soap and beat the shit out of you.
Do. What is this? Huh? What did you do that for? Cooper? Cooper, did you do this? Cooper?
Wait, stay still, take a picture. Oh, that's a good one. Take your hand.
Oh, my little dancer. My little You got your ball, did you?
What are you going to do now? I'm just going to tell Santa. Can you run?
We are live from Sky Fox 1. Crackhead on the loose. Last seen smoking crystal meth out of a Pepsi can.
Cheese ball, and then I just pretend like I didn't mean to drop it. Honey, no. Honey, no.
Hey, what is it? Good boy.
And there it goes. And now she's going to cover it. Cover it. There you go. Isn't that cute? She's covering it with her nose.
Avery, come here. Come here. Avery, can you tell me who made this mess? Avery.
Chloe. Where'd he go? Where is he?
me, Brinkley. You mad? Are you mad, Brinkley? You being the pack leader? Are you mad? Yeah.